In front of me is POCO M7, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find the Google folder available on your POCO. In it, you will find Files app. Click on it. And if you never used it before, select Continue. Then use this switcher next to allow access to manage all files. And finally, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are over here. Now to open one, click on it on the left. And to manage one, click on those three dots on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!